Good morning, good evening, wherever you are watching from. So we are back with another unboxing video. I feel so excited whenever I'm about to unbox. So excited. I feel butterfly in my tummy. Yes, guys. So unbox with me. I got another package from TikTok shop. I'm turning to a TikTok girly. I got some goodies from the TikTok shop. This is pressing. I'm not going to show it. Yes, number one, I have a mini trapper for my phone. It's not really bad. It's something to travel with, I guess. You can just put it in your purse or handbag or whatever. And yes, it's not bad. It's not bad. Next we got, I got napkin for the summer. I got one for me and one for my baby boy. This should be mine. A napkin. I didn't do it with it. Oh yes. And it came with a charger. That's the white color for hubby. For hubby. Oh, you continue to press it and the number go off. So it starts at 5. You can hear the song.